Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. It is another delicious recipe. So today we are making my Igbo traditional soup. You guys know I'm from Igbo culture and I love all our traditional soup. So today's soup is bitter leaf soup. Please stay tuned. Thank you. For this recipe, I'm using maggi, I'm using crayfish, I'm using dry fish and stockfish, palm oil, onions, salt, my achi thickener. You can use any thickener of your choice. Okay, my ogilibo. Okay, frozen bitter leaf, Nigerian dry chilli, and this is my meat. So in here I have beef, I have shaki, I have a momo, cow skin, and I have a chicken. Okay, so I'm going to add seasoning in my meat and we will start cooking the meat. So now guys, I'm going to add my onions, I'm going to add salt, a little more salt, I'm going to add 2 maggi, now I'm going to put this meat on the stove and just allow it to cook, okay? So guys, I am going to boil our bitter leaf. I'm going to allow that to boil for about like 10 to 15 minutes. I just want to cook it and take some of the bitter taste out of it. So I'm just going to allow that to boil up. So guys, I'm going to add hot water in my fish. I'm going to allow it to soak in there for like 5 minutes and then I'll wash it off. And I am also going to go blend my crayfish. So guys, I am going to take my bitter leaf out from the stove. I've been cooking it for 10 to 15 minutes. I am going to clean it and wash it. Guys, this process is a must if you're cooking your bitter leaf soup. You have to boil your bitter leaf or else it's gonna have a lot of bitter taste because this leaf is so bitter. That's why they call it bitter leaf. So I'll take it off from the stove. So guys, it is time to take out my chunky onions out from my meat because I don't want to use it for the soup. Okay, now guys, because our meat has been cooking halfway, it's about 20 minutes now, I am going to add my dry fish because I also want it to be a little bit soft. Okay, now I'm going to add more water. Now this is the first time I'm adding water in this meat. Since I started cooking it, I just allowed it to boil with its own juice. Okay, I'm going to cover and keep cooking. So guys, that is my achi thickener. I am going to add cold water and I'm going to mix it up. So guys, it is time to add our achi thickener and also to add our red oil. Our meat is almost done, so I'm going to add some of my achi thickener. And I'm going to leave this. I'm going to add red oil. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I'm gonna cover and allow that to cook for 10 minutes. So guys, this is after 10 minutes. Okay, I added a little bit more water. Okay, at the same time I am going to taste for maggi and salt. There's no maggi, there's no salt. I'll start adding my other ingredients. I'll add my Nigerian dry chili. I'll add my crayfish. I'll add my Igbo. I'll add 2 maggi, a bit of salt. I'll mix everything together. I'm going to cover and let that simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it is time to add our Bitterleaf. So guys, I'm going to cover for another 5 and this soup is ready. So guys, after another 5 minutes, our soup is ready. It is time to take our soup off from the stove. Yum, yum. Absolutely delicious. So guys, I am going to take this Bitterleaf soup off from the stove now. It is ready. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all on my next one. Thank you. Bye.